Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access the original page of a post. So, recently a lot of posts on Facebook are pictures, and I mean you can access a post by just clicking on the picture, but it's not really the original page of the post itself, but rather just the picture. And what you can do is you can click on the date right here. You can see the date of when it was posted, and if you click it, it will redirect you to the page of the post. So as you can see here, I've been redirected to the group itself because it's been posted in the group. This one too just works the same. You can click on the picture and then you'll see the full date, which you can also click, which will still send you to the page. And as you can see here, it sent me to the original page of the original post, and yeah, it works the same. And there are other circumstances where you can't even see the original post because some people might not include the original post when sharing it. And in order to access the original post, that is still what you need to do. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!